this one in previous classes. Now ninth one, from the following recipient payments account of Ideal Cricket Club and the subjoined information prepare income and expense account for the year ended 31st December 2005 and the balance sheet as on the date. Recipient payments account, balance on 1/1/2005, cash in hand, current account with bank, fixed deposit with bank at 7% per annum, membership subscription including 600 rupees for 2004, entrance fees, donations, interest on fixed deposits up to 30/6/2005. Payments, match expenses, salaries, purchase of postage stamps, maintenance of ground, printing and stationery, conveyance, purchase of cricket equipment, sundry expenses, investments in national saving, balance as on 31st/12/2005, cash in hand, current account with bank, fixed deposit with bank at 7% per annum. Adjustment, salary outstanding, the value of unused postage stamps is as follows: on 31st December 2004, 75, on 31st December 2005, 90 rupees. The stock of cricket equipment on 31st December 2005 was 321. The areas of membership subscription for 2005 amounted to 800 rupees. All areas for 2004 were receiving during 2005. According to the bylaws of the club, donations and entrance fees are required to be created to the general fund. Okay, here you have to prepare the income and expense account, opening balance sheet and closing balance sheet. Okay, now income and expense account. Ninth problem, income and expenditure account. Expenditure amount, income amount. Now see debit side, opening balance. Here cash in hand, current account, fixed deposit are all opening balance, don't take. Membership subscription is income. So right here, by subscription 4,000 rupees. But in this one 600 rupees for 2004. 2004 nothing but last year. Last year outstanding 600, 3,400. In paragraph in adjustment D point, the areas of membership subscription for 2005 amounted to 800 rupees. So this is this year amount outstanding. So add current year outstanding 800 rupees. So 4,200 rupees. Next, entrance fees. See E point, according to bylaws of the club, donations and entrance fees are required to be catered to general fund. So he mentioned entrance fees and donations you have to take as a general fund, don't take here. So now interest on fixed deposit, this is income. Interest on fixed deposit, how much that one? 105 rupees. But add receivable interest. Receivable interest again 105 rupees because of he paid up to 30th June 2005. I think but 6 months interest he has paid 105. Remaining 6 months again 105. Total 210. So if you have doubt, that the fixed deposit amount of 3,000 rupees here, 7% interest you can get. 3,000 7% is 210. Out of 210 rupees, you got 105 rupees. Remaining 105 rupees balance. So you can write like that also. Now come to payment side. Match expenses. Match expenses 1324. Salaries, 2 salaries, 1100 rupees. But in first adjustment, outstanding salary 100 rupees. Add outstanding salary 100 rupees. Total 1200 rupees. Next, purchase of postage stamps. So right here, stamps, opening stock. See, second adjustment, postage stamps 75 rupees opening. Again we purchased stamps 105. So at the end of year, you should have 180 stamps. But at closing you have only 90. Nothing but 90 stamps. Remaining 90 stamps used. That is you can write. Opening 75 stamps, but again you purchased 105. Total 180 stamps should be at the end of the period. But at the end of the period only 90 is there. Nothing but remaining 90. Maintenance of ground. Maintenance 682. Printing and stationery. Printing 324. Conveyance transport, that is 82 rupees. Purchase of cricket equipment. So don't take purchase, but depreciation on cricket equipment. Next we purchased 972 equipments, but at the end of the period, see C point, the stock of cricket equipment on 31st December 2005 was 321. We purchased 972, but 321 balance is there. Remaining cricket equipment depreciated. How much? 2 minus 1, 1. 7 minus 3, 4. 9 minus 3, 6. 641 cricket equipment depreciated. Next, sundry expenses. Sundry expenses 200. Then investments, balance, closing well don't take. Bus. Okay, income and expense completed. So you can get by deficit because of debit side amount is more than the credit side. So from this total, you deduct these two amounts, so you can get 143. This is balance amount. Okay. This is income and expense account. Now you have to prepare the balance sheet, but there is no capital amount. For that purpose, you have to prepare the opening balance sheet. So right here, opening balance sheet. Liabilities, amount, assets, amount. First asset side, opening balance here, cash in hand. Cash in hand 352 cash in hand. Current account 2738 fixed deposit 3000. Next, any opening assets you can take. Your opening assets, subscription last year amount 2004. Outstanding subscription in bracket 2004 year. See in the receipt side 600 rupees is there. Again, in B point, stock of stamps. Stock of stamps 75. So these are all opening assets. Now find the total. $6,765. Yes, 6765. This is capital fund. 6765 balance amount. Now we have to prepare the closing balance sheet. I will write here closing balance sheet. Closing balance sheet. Liabilities amount, assets amount. First write capital amount 6765 less deficit 143 got here. That 143 2266 6622. Now cash in hand, asset side, that is 352. But in closing values here, payments are last, cash in hand 280. These amounts you have to take. Current account 1302. Fixed deposit 3000 rupees. National savings certificate, investments in national savings. National savings 1600. Now outstanding salary. Outstanding salary 100 rupees. Stock of stamps this year 90. Outstanding cricket equipment. C point 321. Outstanding subscription 800. Now here E point, club donations and entrance fees. So that is called general fund. So write here first general fund, right, underline. Donations 501. Entrance fees 275. 677. That's all. Find the total. It should be tally 8 9 8 14 7498. Right. So 7498. This is problem. So before 9th, 2 videos are there. That is one sum, but that continuation. So you follow that one. So I have finished today. What that 7th problem, 2 in 2 videos. 9th problem, 1 video. That's all. And see students, stay home and don't go outside, please. Thank you.